We started monthly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And last 2 months we had a update, and we mentioned since the price was somewhere around even this one, we mentioned we're looking for buy, and we have been looking for 61. The price couldn't tag exactly 61, almost near to what we expected. Now we want to see what's the next. Still, we're looking for continuation because in my last analysis, we mentioned since the price was within this correction, we mentioned we're looking for 61. This is what we get. And right now, we want to see, that's mean we're looking for continuation. When we mentioned with the breakout of the 61, we have been looking for 78. And with the breakout of this zone, then we mentioned we refer mostly previous top and following by all-time high. Anyway, we now want to see if we get any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we'll take it. And with the breakout of the 61, we're looking for 78. And to look for trade, mostly we look for the lower time frame. And if you move to daily chart, all right, the price almost tag 59, 59.2, but there was, I mean, it couldn't tag exactly as what we expected, the 61. But anyway, if we put this top relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence, then mostly we can expect to see the next correction relative to what we had here. That means we can look for the running flat before we see the continuation. Either the running flat can be happen at this point, even if the price continue a bit higher, we can expect that. If the continuation as a corrective, we can look for the running flat unless we see the breakout of the 61 as a sharp move, because if we see the breakout of the 61 as a sharp move, mostly this one will disappear. Okay, to make it very simple, we're looking for buy, but if anyone wants to look for buy from here, we have to wait to get the proper trade setup. Any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we consider like 1 hour chart, we consider as a short-term trade. As long as we get into the profit, we have to start to manage and more stop loss to like break even. But if this one turn to deeper correction, this one turn to flat, any opportunity for buy will be the best, and we can see the breakout of the with the breakout of the 61. Mostly we can see the breakout of the 78 as a sharp move. But if the price continue from here, mostly we will see the continuation as a corrective move. Anyway, if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And if we move to forward chart, now we want to see what's the next. Whether this one is a continue flat, flag for continuation, or this one can turn to a lower. I mean, we can expect to a deeper correction as what we explained, based on daily chart. Okay, if anyone wants to look for buy desktop, I don't see any trade setup based on 1 hour forward chart. And if you move to 1 hour chart, also similar explanation. Having entry above this can be is not a really good idea. Okay, then if we want to look for buy, if anyone wants to look for this one as an internal flat, then we have to look for the reversal as a sharp move flag based on 5 or 15 minutes. Rather than that, we don't see any trade setup. And even we see we have a divergence. That's why we have to wait. We want to see whether the price can break this low or not. If yes, then we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction as what I explained based on daily chart. If not, then any reversal as a sharp move flag based on 15 or 5, mostly 15 minutes, and even based on 1 hour chart, we can take the trade. And if you get any trade, then we want to see the breakout of the 61. All right, because if we move to higher time frame, like a weekly chart, we want to see the breakout of the 61, then following by 78. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.